it letting you zoom in?
Not very good. I can only zoom just the top of the roof.
Yeah, well, at least you'll be able to see a little bit. Yeah, but on the computer downloaded, I bet you'll be able to see it even better. That is so totally cool. And you're so tall. You're 2 feet above me with the darn camera.
Stand on the futon.
That's as much as it zooms?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Almost got a
Listen,
minute now.
you can hear it. Just a little bit of it till it sends up some more.
Almost got like a minute and a half of it already.
That's cool. Okay.